Video presentation is about Office 365 and the tools that you can use within it. When you're in your web browser, the one thing you need to type in is portal.microsoftonline.com. Don't try to Google Office 365 because it won't take you to the accurate account that you need to sign in. So make sure that you type in portal.microsoftonline.com. Once you do this, you can always add it to your favorites by clicking the star and then adding it. As you can see, my account name is right here. I'm going to use a student account so you can follow along easier. When you're signing in, it's how you sign into the computer to log on, and you have to include @usd475.org. So it's your first and last name, or how you sign into your computer, and then you have to put the @usd475.org. When you hit tab, it should redirect you to the login page. Now you can see the USD475 account, and this is where you would type your password. Your password is how you sign in to your computer. So for example, if you were Joe Smith at USD475.org and your password was Blue Jays 2016, that's what you would use to sign in. Now, if you've used Office 365 before, it may pop up to whatever setting you had come up as your first option. This student has her Outlook set up so that every time she logs into Office 365, she'll have her mail pop up. You can do that in the personalization button at the top of the key when you're fully logged in. So we'll wait to see if this gets done. Now, as you can see, this is her Outlook. And to change that, you would go into the upper right-hand corner where it has your setting tools so that you can change that setting to open up to whatever tile that you want to use first. I'm going to go to the main homepage. So in Office 365, you can always click in the upper left-hand corner and it'll take you to the home page. The home page has all the tiles that you have available to you. The mail tile is your webmail tile. So when you want to look for your emails online, you would have to sign into Office 365 to get to the web tile. Now, once you click on it, if you've never done that before, you'll have to select the time zone. Remember, we're Central Time Zone, not Central America. Once you've done that, you can see all your items that people have sent you or shared files with you. You also have a calendar app, a people or contact app that you can set up and start adding people or contacts that you know that you will frequently email. Now remember, this is all web-based. If you've already gone through your Outlook on the desktop, you don't have to do this. You also have some online tools that are available for you. You have Word Online, Excel Online, PowerPoint Online, OneNote Online, and Sway. You also have the OneDrive. The OneDrive is your file sharing storage or just your file storage area. Now remember, if you wanted to share a document or save a document, instead of saving to your H drive, you can always save it to your OneDrive account. Excuse me. The way you would do that is by looking at your taskbar on the file folder. You can see that you have the OneDrive to the side. That's where you can go ahead and add documents. We're not going to set this up right now. But when it asks you to do that, you could set it up by using your email. So this is loading, and as you can see, this student has several files already saved and some documents. Now these are all hers, and you can see to the side that she also has some that she's sharing with other people. So one of the things that you can do is you can always add a new folder and name it, or you can add a new Word document, Excel workbook, PowerPoint, so on, so on. If you have something that you've already created and you want to upload here, you can always click the upload button as well. Now, going over to the left-hand side, you'll see that there's a shared with me option. When you click on that, you'll find that anybody that has shared anything with you will be there. So if you have a teacher that is sharing a notebook with you, this is where you would want to go to make sure that you have that notebook. Sometimes it might not show up in your Outlook or your mail, but if you log into the OneDrive and click on the shared with me, you'll be able to find it. Once you open it up, it'll take you to however it's been shared to you. Most teachers will use OneNote. So when you open this up, it'll definitely take you to your OneNote online. It'll configure and it'll have all the information that you need. Now, if you wanted to work offline and just use your OneNote desktop version, you can click on Edit in OneNote. And then as you can see, you have two options. Do not select the option that just says OneNote. You want to make sure that you select the option that says OneNote 2016. That's your actual desktop version that you'll be using. So always make sure you select the OneNote 2016. I'm going to get out of that. Okay, so like I said before, in your OneDrive, you have the shared with me link that has everything that's been shared with you. You also have your files link, and that's where you can save and store your files. And you can go back into the Office 365, and when you're working online, you have all these other tools to your advantage. If you have any more questions, you can email me or Mr. Proctor, and we can definitely send you some information in regards to Office 365. Thank you.